So in this problem, a fastball pitcher can throw a baseball at a speed of 40 meters per second, which is 90 miles per hour. Assuming the pitcher can release the ball 16.7 meters from the home plate, so the ball is moving horizontally. Assuming the pitcher can release the ball 6.7 meters from home plate, so the ball is moving horizontally. How long does it take the ball to reach home plate? How far does the ball drop between the pitcher's hand and home plate? Alright, so again, this is like the bullet problem here. They tell you the pitcher releases with the horizontal velocity, and the ball travels horizontally on a parabolic path. Here are axes. Okay, and again, V0 is 40I plus 0J meters per second. The initial speed is given 40 meters per second, and our acceleration is like that. Acceleration is 0I minus GJ. Okay. The horizontal distance that the pitch travels is 16.7 meters. Okay. Alright, so in this problem, let's look at the x motion. X minus x naught is v naught xt plus 1/2 axt squared, and x component of the acceleration is 0, so this term is 0. This is 0, initial position is 0, x, it reaches home plate, which is 16.7 meters away, and that should be 40 meters per second times time. So we can calculate how long it took to reach home plate, which is 16.7 divided by 40 seconds, and that is equal to, let me write it like so. This is meters divided by meters per second, and that is equal to 0.42 seconds. Okay, so the pitch reaches home plate 0.42 seconds later, and now they ask you how far does the ball fall. So what is the vertical direction of the motion between the pitcher's hand and home plate? So for that, of course, we'll look at the y direction of y component of the motion, y minus y naught. So this would be the final y position, this would be the initial y position. So this quantity is going to be negative because the ball is falling and our axis is pointing up. So this would be v naught yt plus 1/2 ayt squared. Now v naught y is 0, initial y component is 0, so this would be 0. So y minus y naught is 0 plus 1/2. Ay is minus g, which is 9.8 meters per second squared, times t squared. Okay. So let's add a page below. And y minus y naught is minus 4.9, and t is, the pitch took 0.42 seconds to reach there. Okay, so .85 meters. So the pitch falls, by the time it gets to home plate, it falls about 3 feet, 0.85 meters. All right. that finishes that problem.